Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, power lift gate, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, driver lumbar. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Subaru certified pre-owned vehicles have no secrets. You never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. And when shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.